I am going to provide you marks versus expected branch as you for BITS Goa. If you talk then CSE 290. If you talk about for BITS Hyderabad cutoff, here is the information CSE 2.
सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हिंदी में जानने के लिए मेरे हिंदी चैनल एडमिशन एकेडमी पे आप जा सकते हैं।
So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Videos. As the BITSET registration for counseling process is going on, that is for iteration, that is nothing but the counseling process for BITSET 2024. The registration is going on, choice filling also going on. So if you are missing it, kindly do it. I am going to provide you marks versus expected branch. As you also know, there is no rank system in BITSET. They will provide you the branch, that is the admission in college based on the marks itself. So all campus I will consider here. I have included the new branch that has been added this year, that is mathematics and computing as well. So please try to watch the video up to the last. So for BITS Goa, if you talk then CSE 290 marks, ECE 260, Triple E 245 marks, electronics and instrumentation 235, mechanical 215, chemical 200 marks, MSc mathematics 212. Now if you talk about mathematics and computing 255, this is based on the first session marks and difficulty level. After second session, if there will be some sudden change in the difficulty, then I will try to provide you the updated information again. But as of now, this is the information. Accordingly, you have to fill the choices. If you want, you can take my guidance one-to-one. I will guide you until your final admission is done. What should be your order according to your interest in BITS college, as well as you may have the IIT option also, or other college like COMEDK, VIT, Manipal. So what you should do, what you should not, everything I will be discussing with you one-to-one. In the next section, you will check the detail of my guidance. So here I would like to inform you about my complete guidance and mentorship regarding all type of entrance exam. Through this, you will choose the best college and best branch, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Yes, over 10,000 students already have guided. Whenever you want and whatever counseling you are doing, I will guide you for everything, that is JOSA, CSAB, Jagdeli, JAG Chandigarh, Manipal, VIT, BITSET, COMEDK, EEE, or any other state level counseling. I will be guiding you for all the counseling as I am doing it from last 6 years. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. And once you register, you will get one-to-one personal call option all the time, and message you can do whenever you want, whenever you will have the doubt. Here I will provide you the personalized choice filling order for you, because every student have different type of rank, different type of vision, different type of interest, different type of family background. So there can't be a general choice filling for all the students. So I will provide you the personalized choice filling order. So right on the screen you can check the detail, in the description also. Once you contact, if you find my guidance helpful, you can register for that by doing the nominal payment regarding that and by sending your details. So hope you get the complete idea of my guidance. If you want, you can contact. All the information are available in the description box. So now if you talk about for MSc Physics 213 and MSc Chemistry 194, MSc Economics 230, MSc Bioscience 191. So BITSET counseling is very difficult, or you can say unique type of counseling. Here iteration wise counseling will be done, and there will be some waitlisted candidate also. So you need to do it very carefully and up to last, then only you are going to get the best out of your marks. So in that I will be helping you once you register, as I am guiding the student from last 6 years. Now if you talk about BITS Pilani cutoff, CSE 330 marks, EC 292, Triple E 265, EI 260, Mechanical 235, Chemical 218, B Pharma 150, Civil 207, Mathematics and Computing 272, MSc Mathematics 225, MSc Physics 224, MSc Chemistry 205, Economics 250, Bio 203, Manufacturing 208. Now if we talk about for BITS Hyderabad cutoff, here is the information: CSE 280, EC 257, Triple E 244, EI 235, Mechanical 208, Chemical 197, Civil 193, Mathematics and Computing 250, MSc Mathematics 210, MSc Physics 209, MSc Chemistry 191, MSc Economics 228, and Bio 185. So these are the cutoff that you can expect for this year up to the last iteration, not in the first iteration. If you do better counseling up to the last, you will able to surely get these branches based on the marks that I have provided you in this video. So hope you find this information very useful for you. So please try to subscribe the channel. Thank you.